Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2015 Kawasaki EX300R Ninja. This bike is in mint condition with only 495 miles on it, and it is all stock and ready to rock and roll. So let's take a walk around this bike and then we'll fire it up. So like I said, this bike is basically still brand new. Very clean. Tires are in excellent condition. Plenty of miles left on them. Bike's barely broke in. Just super, super clean pearl white paint. As you can see by the back tire, I mean, they've been hardly used, so I mean, it's just basically still a new motorcycle. Alright, show you the miles on it. 495 miles. This EX300 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, labor, and all the accessories you need for it. So, thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.